So this is gonna be an update about the hashtags that I use, because some people ask me what I do on my Instagram stories so I can get more views and stuff like that. And also people have told me that their hashtags get canceled. So let's talk about that. Don't use more than 1 or 2 hashtags, because if you use more than that, your hashtags are gonna get canceled. That's what happened to me in the past, and this is what I've been doing for, now, and it's been working well. And also I'm gonna share with you a screenshot of the one of the Instagram stories that I post in the past, and it did well, and it did more than 1,000 views. And I know for a lot of people it's gonna be like, oh, 1,000 views, that's not a lot, that's nothing. And yeah, they're right. I'm on a small account, I'm still learning, I'm just showing my results, I'm just showing what what works for me, and that's all. I'm not pretending to be like a huge guy on Instagram. So let's move on. So the first thing that I use is the icon on top right here. I tap on here and I use the sticker or the icon, the hashtag icon, I don't know what to call it. And then I use my Instagram, in this my hashtag in this case is gonna be fire. And then I make sure I tap on the hashtag right here on the bottom, and then I change the color, and I also change the size, and I put it like this. And the next thing that I do is this: I tap on the letters right here, and then I use the hashtag. And in this case I'm gonna use this hashtag because it's related to my post. And before I finish with this, make sure you type in the hashtags, don't copy and paste, because if you do that, you're gonna act like a bot, and Instagram is gonna cancel your hashtags, and you're not gonna get views from the hashtags, even if you have those hashtags in your post. So make sure you type them in. And what I do with this hashtag, because I don't like the way it looks, I just move it on a side, and I do that. And I use 2 hashtags or 1 hashtag. So just to finish up, make sure the hashtags are related to your post, because there's another big thing, which is interaction. And if people spend the entire 15 seconds in your Instagram story and they interact with it, you're gonna get more reach. Instagram is gonna promote your post even more. And if you use hashtags that are not related to your post, your reach is gonna be smaller. And I say this because people ask me, oh, what hashtags should I use? And I cannot answer that, because every Instagram account is different. What works for me is not gonna work for you, and vice versa, because you might post something totally different to what I do, and you're gonna get less interaction if you use my same hashtags, the hashtags that I use, and that's gonna lower your reach. That's why I cannot answer that question. So you just gotta, if you wanna find out what hashtags work for you, you just gotta try. And if that hashtag doesn't work to you, try another one, and try another one, but make sure they're related to your post. Okay, thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.